Hello kids, welcome to Maths class. This is Binal Devans Choksi from Baroda High School ONGC, Standard 7. We are studying our very first chapter, integers. Let us see its properties. Properties of the operations on integers. Closure, distributive, commutative, identity, associative and inverse. I would like to request you all to list down all these properties in your notebook. We will learn these properties one by one. The very first property is closure property. In this property, if a and b are two integers, suppose कोई भी दो नंबर है जो कि इंटीजर है, अगर आप उसको ऐड करते हो या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो या मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, अगर उसका आंसर भी आपको इंटीजर में मिलता है, दैट मीन्स दिस टू इंटीजर्स आर क्लोज अंडर एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ठीक है, मतलब अगर आप किसी भी दो इंटीजर को ऐड करते हो और उसका आंसर आपको इंटीजर मिलता है, तो इंटीजर इज क्लोज्ड अंडर एडिशन as well as if it happens with subtraction and multiplication, then also integers are closed under subtraction and multiplication. Let us see an example. 14 plus 30 is equals to 44. Okay, so here you can see 14 is also integer and 30 is also integer, right? And its answer is 44, which is also an integer. Same way, if we go with second one, 14 plus minus 5 is equal to 9. And here 14 minus 5 and 9 all are integer. So what happens? That whenever you are adding or subtracting an integers, you are getting integer only. That's why it is closed under addition and subtraction. Same way you can write an example of multiplication. If you will multiply any two integers, you will get an integer only as your answer. Alright? Let's go to the next property, commutative property. Changing the order of two numbers that are either being added or multiplied does not change its value. मतलब जब भी आप कोई दो इंटीजर को या तो ऐड कर रहे हो या मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, उसका ऑर्डर चेंज करने से उसका आंसर चेंज नहीं होता. ठीक है, मीन्स a plus b is same as b plus a or a multiplied by b will be same as b multiplied by a. Let's see an example. Firstly, 6 plus 4 is 10, same as 4 plus 6 will also be 10, correct? That's why 6 plus 4 is same as 4 plus 6. Same way, if you add minus 6 and 4, you will get the same answer even if you will change the order, isn't it? And the answer will be minus 2. Can you try any one example on your own? Let's see an example of multiplication. If we multiply 5 and 2, that will give you the same answer with 2 multiplied by 5, and that is 10, correct? 2 multiplied by 3 will also be the same as 3 multiplied by 2. Same way, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, correct? Now try your own 3 to 4 examples for better understanding. Now let us move on to the next property, that is associative property. Changing the grouping of numbers that are either being added or multiplied does not change its value. मतलब अगर हम कोई तीन नंबर को ऐड करते हैं, तो तीन में से सबसे पहले आप दो नंबर को ऐड करोगे, उसके बाद जो आंसर आएगा उसको थर्ड नंबर के साथ ऐड करोगे, राइट? सो वॉट एवर टू नंबर्स यू आर टेकिंग एज अ ग्रुप, अगर आप उसको चेंज भी करते हो, जैसे कि a plus b plus c will give you the same as a plus b and c, b plus c, right? तो इस तरह अगर आप ग्रुप भी चेंज करते हो तो भी आपको आंसर सेम मिलेगा और वो भी इंटीजर. ठीक है, वैसे ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, if three numbers are given and you are multiplying first two numbers and then its answer with the third number, you will get the answer same as another grouping. Let us understand with some examples. First, 6 plus 2 plus 1. ओके अगर आप ये तीन नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हो एंड फर्स्ट यू आर एडिंग 6 प्लस 2 विल गिव यू 8 प्लस 1 विल गिव यू 9. If you are changing the grouping, okay, that means if you are grouping 2 and 1 and then add 6, then also you will get the same answer. Means 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So 6 plus 3 is also 9, right? Now in second example, if you group first 6 and minus 2 and then add the answer with 3 will give you the same answer with 6 plus the group of minus 2 plus 3. ठीक है, तो अगर 6 plus minus 2 will give you 4 and 4 plus 3 will be 7. Now let us check from the other side. That is 6 plus, if you add first 3 and minus 2 will give you 1. So 6 plus 1 is also 7. In multiplication, if 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is given, first group with 2 and 3 will give you 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now with another grouping system, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Now try to solve the next example on your own. 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this is how we can understand that integers are associative under addition and multiplication. Means addition and multiplication is associative for integers. Okay, moving on to the next one, distributive property. ठीक है, distributive, the property name itself is describing what we are going to do. ठीक है, अब distribute क्या कर रहे हो और कैसे कर रहे हैं, let's see. This property states that when two numbers have been added or subtracted and then multiplied by a factor, the result will be the same when each number is multiplied by the factor and the products are then added or subtracted. Let's see an example first. If minus 2 is multiplied with 4 plus 3, then your answer will be the same as minus 2 will be multiplied by 4 plus minus 2 will be multiplied by 3. ठीक है, that means you are distributing minus 2 on the addition of 4 plus 3, right? Minus 2 you are distributing with 4 as well as 3. Same as with the second one. 2 is multiplied with 4 minus 3. ठीक है, तो you are distributing 2 on the subtraction of 4 and 3. Correct? So here with the first example you can say that you are distributing multiplication over addition. ठीक है, like minus 2 multiplied with 4 plus 3 is 7 is equal to minus 8 plus minus 6 is nothing but minus 14. Same way with the second example you can say that you are distributing multiplication over subtraction. Okay, that means 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 is 1 is same as 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3, which is nothing but 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Correct? Let's see another example. You can write this example in your notebook and try to solve on your own. Like 10 plus 2 multiply by 3. So what you are going to do? You will multiply 3 with 10 plus 3 with 2. Okay. Another one is 3 multiply by bracket में 1 plus 2. So you are going to distribute 3 plus 3 with 1 plus 3 with 2. Okay. Try to solve and confirm your answer. Let's see the very easy property, that is identity property. We have two identities in maths, additive identity and multiplicative identity. First is additive identity, states that the sum is of any number and 0 is the given number. मतलब किसी भी नंबर को 0 के साथ ऐड करने से वही नंबर आपको मिलता है, राइट? 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, like that. Multiplicative identity states that the product of any number and 1 is the given number. मतलब किसी भी नंबर का 1 के साथ अगर प्रोडक्ट होता है तो आपको वही नंबर मिलता है. मीन्स 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2, 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. Right? Let's see an example. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4. ठीक है, यानी चाहे वो पॉजिटिव नंबर है या नेगेटिव नंबर, वॉट एवर इंटीजर यू विल एड विथ 0 you will get the same number. Fine. With multiplication, 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. 1 multiplied by minus 9 is equal to minus 9. मतलब 1 को आप किसी भी नंबर के साथ, किसी भी इंटीजर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you will get the same integer. Alright. That's why 1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity. Okay. Now inverse property, last but not the least. We already have studied this property in your previous standard, but let's have look at this once. In addition states that the sum of any number additive inverse and its additive inverse is 0. मतलब कोई भी इंटीजर है या कोई भी नंबर है, उसका एडिशन उसके एडिटिव इन्वर्स के साथ अगर करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 0. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स 10 प्लस माइनस 10 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 बिकॉज 10 एंड माइनस 10 आर एडिटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. एडिटिव इन्वर्स में सम आपको 0 मिलता है. ठीक है, लाइक minus 6 and 6 are additive inverse of each other. That's why their sum will be 0. सेम विद द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स. जब आप किसी भी दो इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपको 1 मिलता है. दैट मीन्स 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 बाय 4 विल गिव यू 1. माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 1 बाय 8 विल गिव यू 1. ठीक है. We will do some practice sums in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.